Prescott was a very small town by today's standard. Behavioral health was so unfamiliar that those leaders typically really didn't appreciate the need for it. They kind of knew because they, were watching out for the community, but to connect the dots with providing behavioral health, which by the way was not in the nomenclature at that time. It was not a major change, and the advantages far outreach the challenges.
And you ran a thrift shop for a bit. Was that too?
Well, that was for the guidance clinic. At that time, mental health, after the war, of course, came into prominence as a focus. We, of course, thought in terms of medical response to the mental health needs. But the guidance clinic, of course, was our dream for a real mental health approach to help in the community. And that's when the hospital had already moved over to the new hospital in '64. I went to Mr. Judd, then superintendent of schools here, and asked if the old Jefferson building then sat empty after the hospital moved out. I went and asked if we could use it for a mental health clinic. I had the thrift shop at that time, which benefited the guidance clinic and part of Don's inspiration, I guess. I had that thrift shop for 25 years.
We all struggle at times in our life, whether it's with mental health or substance use or primary care, and it takes a lot of courage to ask for help. So when someone gets that 30 seconds of courage to say, I'm going to get help today, we have to be there. And when we do, we see great outcomes. When we don't, people don't come to that appointment, or they find another way to get their need met. So our job is to say, yes, come on in, we're here for you, so people can get on their journey to recovery now.
Cortez was the first outpatient mental health center in Arizona to be built from the ground up. You would find behavioral health services, but they weren't designed for anything but doctor's office maybe, or a strip mall that got chopped up or something like that. And that building just has held its worth and its beauty. It's a beautiful building. It's just astounding to me.
Every day when I come to work, I have hope in the work that we do because of our employees, our board, and our community. Our employees show up, they are resilient, they are amazing, dedicated to the work. Our board is willing to make the hard decisions to ensure that we are a strong organization well into the future. And our community just tells us every day how important we are. That gives me hope. It is so exciting to be a part of our 60th anniversary. I think about 6 decades of dedication and commitment and how the organization has grown. And to be just a small part of that is just so fulfilling for me, personally and professionally. I just love this organization, our dedication to the community, and I know that because of the people that work here every single day, we're going to see another 60 years from now.